Hey everyone, welcome to Ashok Anand vlogs. Thank you for all the support, you guys. You're watching religiously all of my videos. Thanks a lot. And today we are making Palak Paneer. How many of you like Palak Paneer? Comment below. And just another thing, I thought let me give some backstory to it. Palak Paneer brings back a lot of memories. As a child, this used to be my favorite dish, even though I love non-veg, as all of you know. You know from my videos also, I have made more non-veg recipes than veg recipes, but I'm going to change that. I essentially would like to balance non-veg recipes and veg recipes, and one of it starting today. So Palak Paneer, it's one of my childhood favorites, and it brings back a lot of memories. And spinach, who likes spinach? But in Palak Paneer, I love it. Spinach has lots of iron and lots of other minerals and vitamins, and paneer, all the goodness of milk. So follow the recipe, and then let me know if you like this recipe. And if you have any other requests, please let me know. If you don't like the video, please let me know. If you have any feedback, please let me know in the comments. That is there. That's how you can connect with me, and I will make sure to reply to each and every comment. Don't worry, I will speak with you. So thank you for all the support. Yeah, let's go ahead and make Palak Paneer today. Yes. This is the final Palak Paneer that we are trying to make. Let's see how to make this. What do we need for Palak Paneer? We need some palak, obviously. We need 2 onions. We need some green chilies, 2 in this case. And finally paneer. We will now heat a pan on high flame first, and then place our palak like this. Washed palak. This will cook first. As soon as the pan heats up, you can reduce the flame to medium flame. Now you don't add any water. The palak will release its own water and it will cook in it. So in medium flame, we'll let it cook. We'll add some chopped, roughly cut onions and green chilies also, and cover it and cook it. After the palak gets cooked, we will add it to a mixie, grind it well. That will make the curry, the palak curry. So just cooking. As you can see, water is releasing from the sides and it's boiling now. We'll again cover it. Now I have removed the cover. We can see the leaves have changed. We have reached the stage where the palak has been cooked. Also the onions have changed their color. They have become slightly transparent. So now we will take this out and grind it into a paste. Take care to not cook it a lot, because they become dark green, then it becomes black. So it's better you not cook it for a lot of time. Now I have grinded it into a paste. Now we'll make the curry. We will put some oil, 2 tablespoons of oil into a pan, and then let it heat up. We will add some mustard and some jeera, a small pinch, and let it fry a bit. Now add half a teaspoon of haldi, turmeric, and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Keep the flame low to medium. Low would be better because dry spices won't burn that way. Now add half a teaspoon of dhania powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Stir well, mix it well with the oil, and cook it at least for maybe 2 to 3 minutes, not too much, else the spices might burn. Now I'll add the grinded paste of palak. Now mix everything well with the palak. This makes our curry, palak curry. So you see, we haven't added paneer yet. We are just adding the palak now and then mixing it well. Once this is done, our paneer will cook very fast. So we don't need to add paneer at the beginning. Just a tip here, if you soak your paneer for a bit in water, your paneer will become very soft and it'll taste very well. So just soak it in water for 10 minutes, not more than that. Keep cooking your palak till it shows a color of earthy green like this. Now I am adding the washed paneer, and I'll mix it with the curry well like this. Now our palak paneer is almost done. Just mix it well on a low flame. Such a nice weather today and having palak paneer. Can't ask for more. Now we can switch off the flame and then mix a little bit. Now that we are mixing, let's add a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of it, depending upon your taste. You can balance the salt and then mix it well. Take care to taste it once and mix salt because sometimes palak is already salty a bit. Our palak paneer is ready. Enjoy this curry with fresh, soft, hot rotis and then comment below if you liked it. So, palak paneer with soft rotis. Thanks to my mother for making such delicious food and pampering me. It's very nice. Delicious. Everything's perfect. The perfect combination of delicious and taste. Follow the recipe, make it and comment below if you liked it, and if you have any requests, let me know.